Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to explain about how to edit the records in the table and how to delete the records from the table and how to sort the data in the table in OpenOffice Base. But before going to that, a small request. Those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And for my latest and update videos, press on the bell icon also. Now let us see the concept how to edit the records in the table and how to delete the records from the table and how to sort the data in the table in OpenOffice Base. So first of all, I am opening the OpenOffice Base. See here, OpenOffice. See here, I'm clicking on OpenOffice Base. Okay, here already one database is there, employee database. I'm opening the database. Okay, right. So here tables, I'm clicking on tables. You observe here one table is there here in this database. The table name is Forble X. Here we are going to discuss about 3 points. The first point is how to edit the records in the table. So here in employee database, if you click on table, here one table is there and the table name is Forble X. So now I am opening this table and double clicking here. Observe here, look at once here. Here we have one table, in that two records are there. 101 Ravi, ID, name, age, address. 102 Raju, 27 Mumbai. So in this, the table name is Forbulex. In this table we have two records. So now I want to edit the records. Suppose I want to add the records, or I want to do some changes in this table. Okay, see here. Now I am closing this one. Observe here also. So document, see here. Okay, here we have a table. So now I want to add a new record in the table. So we are discussing about how to edit the records in the table. Okay, so again double click here. Simply just click the cursor here. So 103 I am typing and the name is, for example, Surya, tab, and the age is, for example, 30. Again press tab. Okay, so for example, Digras, right? So another record I am 103, sorry, 104. Okay, and the name is, for example, Mahesh, and the age is 32. Again tab, for example, Bangalore. Okay, observe here. Actually initially here we have only two records, the first one 101 and 102. So now we are editing the records. That means I'm adding the records 103 and 104. Okay, so this record I have added and this record I have added, right? After that we have to click on this save button. We have to click on this save button. Okay, it is saved. Observe here, close this one. Once if you open this Forbulex table, see, automatically you will observe 4 records. Why? Because see here also we can see document. So how many records are there here? 4 records are there here. And for suppose, observe here, if we want to do, okay, here age is, for example, 62 is there. So here I want to give 32 and click on save. So this is we are calling as the, so editing the records in a table, and close this one. Once you observe here, so document, you observe 62 is there. Now we have changed, see here, 32. In this way we can so edit the records in the table in OpenOffice Base. Okay, so what is the second one? Means how to delete the records from the table. How to delete the records from the table. So now observe here, I'm double clicking here. You observe here how many records are there in this table? 4 records are there. So I want to delete this 103. Okay, keep the cursor here on this row, right click, you observe here delete rows. Once you observe here, so this one delete rows is there now. See here, right click, delete rows. Yes, which one we have deleted? 103. ID, name is Surya, age is 30, address Digras. Yes, you observe here, right? Close this one, and once you open here, see here, only 3 records we are seeing here. Only 3 records. Observe here once. That one, so 103 Surya we have deleted. See here, 101, 102, 104. In this way, so we can delete the records from the table also. Okay, right. This in this way, so we can delete the rows. Then how to delete the columns? So keep the cursor on this column. For example, age column is there, for example, or names column is there. If you want to delete this column, okay, so right click. Here you will observe column format is there. See here, column format. Okay, right click, column format. So it is not coming. See here, close this one. Here, double click here. Sorry, right click here. Here, edit option is there. Whenever you click on edit, so automatically it will come here. Which one you want to delete? For example, name. Okay, so here keep the cursor here. Okay, so delete. Observe here and click on save. So once you observe here, only 3 fields you will see. That name field we have deleted. See here, ID, age and address is there. In this way, so we can delete the field, that means column also. Once again, I'm telling the procedure to delete any column or field from the table means just right click on the table. See here, whenever you click right click, here one option is there that is called as edit, right? So we have to click on this edit. So whenever you click here, automatically this table in design view will come. So at that time, if you want to delete this one age means again right click here and click on delete. This is the procedure to delete a column from the table. Okay, right. And the last one is delete also completed and edit also completed. And the last one is how to sort the data in a table. Okay, so for that, so I am double clicking on this table to open the table, and here you observe 101, 102, 103. So based upon IDs, the data is there. Suppose based upon observe here, so based upon IDs, here the data is there 101, 102, 104. So now my requirement here is based upon address. I want to sort the data. So for that, see here, click here on this column. Okay, click on this column. Here you will observe some options are there. See here, A to Z and Z to A. This is we are calling as the sort. So now I want to sort the data, so based upon address. See here, click on A to Z. See here, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune. So BMP. Okay. For example, ascending. See here, ascending we have did. Now descending. Just click here. See here, Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore. Suppose if we want to sort the data based upon age, keep the click here on this column and click on A to Z. Now you observe 25, 27, 32. It is ascending order. So click on descending order. See here, 32, 27, 25. Okay. So in this way, so we can delete the record. Sorry, sort the data in the table. Okay. So now we have completed how to edit the records in the table, how to delete the records from the table. In deletion also, so we have seen how to delete the rows and how to delete the columns. And finally, we have seen how to sort the data. So this is about this video. If you have any doubts or any queries, so regarding this content, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So like it and share it. Thank you. Have a nice day.